This is really an impossible job to do. But for Chinese, though it's not easy, it is really doable. And to make it even more unbelievable, this Chinese army completed the tasks of building a very long bridge in less than 30 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. It takes only less than 30 minutes for them to build these stunning bridges. So to see the actual footages, watch the video from beginning till the end. But before we dive into our story, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell button for us to keep you updated with our latest amazing videos. With that said, let's begin. Take a look at this. This is the most amazing speed of Chinese soldiers when it comes to building something important. Nearly 3,000 Chinese soldiers from the People's Liberation Army built a 1,000-meter temporary pontoon bridge across the Yangtze River in 28 minutes during a test exercise in Chibi, Central China's Hebei province. Now let's get into another one. Here is a training exercise for river crossing that was held in central China's Hebei province. During which Chinese soldiers showed their stunning skills of installing a steel pontoon bridge across the Yangtze River. And what's really amazing is that it was built in just 26 minutes. The Chinese People's Liberation Army's Central Theater Command conducted a drill to cross the Yangtze River in central China's Hebei province again. This time, this is an actual footage from a drill of China's PLA that showed how the soldiers built a long bridge across the Yangtze River in less than 30 minutes. Moving on, we have another one from China's PLA. An engineering unit of China's PLA that recently achieved an extraordinary feat by building a pontoon bridge across the third longest river in the world, the Yangtze River, in less than half an hour. Next up in here, we have a brigade of the 73rd Army Group of the Chinese Army that built a 300-meter floating steel bridge to cross a river in military rehearsal. The purpose of this is to test the cooperation of different arms of the services. And lastly, we have another one from the Chinese PLA's Engineering Corps that launched a drill of establishing floating bridge, aiming to test the Corps' capacity of throwing a floating bridge during combat. The video footage shows soldiers throw more than 1,000-meter long steel bridge in just 26 minutes and 40 seconds. And that's all there is to it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.